we have got 2 exclusive Nuvo drops. Now I know you like a good blob, and no, that's not your figure after lockdown. These are brand new colours, okay, exclusive to Tonic Studios. So the colours we've got Lavender Dream, and we've also got glitter drops, and these are called Glistening Skies. So let's just have a good old blob, shall we? Are you ready? These are translucent, so when you put them on, they will look opaque. Now I can see instantly, as I'm looking through that, I can see that when I put that on a colour cardstock, it's going to deepen the colour. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. These are your glitter drops. I mean, oh, hello, I like. So literally, these would be perfect. I can see these being used on lots of baby albums. I really can. And although that one is blue, I'm seeing pinks in there. I'm seeing lilacs in there as well. But exclusive colours only at Tonic Studios.